Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create item in DataNote. First, log into your account. Please make sure you have the rights of item master. Navigate to master and click on item master. Here you can see the list of all products you have already added. Now, before taking an example of item creation, we will discuss a little bit about item group. Navigate to Master and click on Linked Item Group. As you can see, we have few parent groups already defined here. These groups comes predefined with DataNote. You can change or create new parent or child groups as per your inventory structure requirements. Please note that here there is no limitation of group level. To know more about item groups, you can consult your administrator or respective manager. For now, let's add two groups under Finished Goods. Click on the plus icon from the top right corner. Enter the group name, a short name, select the main or parent product group, select the effect in group and click on save. Now we have two groups under effect in field, which is inventory and capital goods. Let's understand which group you must select. When you are adding any category which has to take effect in inventory, you must select the inventory group. You can go with capital goods if the item is a company asset. Depending upon your requirements, you need to figure out these options. For now, let's continue with inventory option. Also, if you want to do material accounting, then you need to tick on AC effect checkbox. Similarly, you can add more child groups as shown here. Now, let's go back to Item Master. To add a new product, click on Add New button from the top right corner. Select the relevant item group. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be adding lemon soda as our product. So, give the product name, reference number, choose the HSN code, part code, measurement unit, location, standard rate and other relevant details. Here, HSN code, measurement unit, location and packaging type data is coming from parameter masters. You can create this master from respective parameters. We have made a separate video on parameters. You can find the video link in the description box below. Also, we have a lead time field which is useful if the appropriate item is received by you from elsewhere. You can define the time in days here. Leave this field empty if not required. You can choose color for the item. This can be helpful in MIS report to highlight item with specified colors. Now, from other details, select attachments and add product related photos or documents if applicable. Then select other measurement units to add multiple unit of measurement along with its conversion factor with respect to main unit. Now select specifications to add any item related specifications and its values. You can also add accessories if applicable along with its rate and other relevant parameters. Finally, click on Submit to save the record. We can now see that our product has been added. Before you can use this product, do not forget to approve it.